This three-story minimalist urban house blends contemporary design with functional living. Spanning a 12 meters by 20 meter plot, the home features clean lines, open spaces, and a harmonious balance of natural light and privacy. With carefully planned interiors, including spacious living areas, multi-purpose rooms, and a rooftop terrace, the design prioritizes both aesthetics and practicality. Sustainable elements like solar panels, energy-efficient windows, and green spaces enhance its environmental footprint. Ideal for urban settings, this design redefines modern living with Facing east, the facade features a striking large window in the master bedroom, inviting ample natural light while maintaining privacy. Vertical aluminum panels add a sleek, modern touch, blending aesthetics with functionality. A balcony adorned with lush greenery softens the structure and provides a natural privacy screen, creating a serene retreat for the master bedroom. A stunning, long swimming pool stretches along the lot, seamlessly connecting with the living room, kitchen, and dining area. This design creates a harmonious indoor-outdoor flow, offering unobstructed views and a refreshing ambiance throughout the main living spaces. The open-plan design seamlessly connects the living room, kitchen, and dining areas, creating a spacious and cohesive interior. This minimalist layout enhances natural light flow and promotes a sense of openness and modern elegance. Ground floor features a thoughtfully designed layout with an entrance adjacent to the parking area for easy access. A stunning swimming pool runs along the length of the lot, offering a captivating view from the main living spaces. At the heart of the design, a central staircase acts as a ventilation core and architectural focal point. Towards the rear, a compact bedroom provides privacy, while a small backyard space enhances airflow and natural light, ensuring comfort and functionality throughout the floor. The second floor is thoughtfully designed with two well-appointed bedrooms, each featuring a private bathroom and natural ventilation for comfort. The master bedroom, positioned at the front of the house, boasts a system of green louvers and a private balcony. This design not only ensures privacy but also introduces natural light and a refreshing outdoor connection, blending functionality with modern elegance. The third floor is designed with a cozy family living room, offering a comfortable space for relaxation. At the rear, a small bedroom provides a quiet retreat. The front of the floor features a spacious terrace, serving as an outdoor oasis for relaxation. This area also doubles as a green space, enhancing the roof with plants and greenery, creating a serene and sustainable environment atop the house. This minimalist modern urban house design maximizes both style and functionality across three thoughtfully planned floors. With seamless indoor-outdoor connections, private yet open living spaces, and sustainable features, the design offers a perfect blend of comfort, privacy, and modern aesthetics. From the striking facade with its green louvers to the serene rooftop terrace, every detail has been carefully crafted to enhance the living experience. This home embodies contemporary urban living, providing a peaceful retreat amidst the city's hustle and bustle.